शिवाजीनगर गावठाणा म्हणजे ओल्ड एरिया आहे, तर तिथलं ओल्ड एरियामधलं हे एक स्पॉट मी करण्याचा प्रयत्न केलेला आहे आणि ह्याच्यात बऱ्यापैकी इथलं जे वातावरण आहे ह्या आणि गाड्या वगैरे एक अस्तव्यस्त लावलेलं असतात, हा एक अस्तव्यस्तमधला एक व्यवस्थितपणा ह्या लँडस्केपमध्ये दाखवण्याचा मी प्रयत्न केलेला आहे. तर हे वॉटर कलरचं पेंटिंग आहे आणि वॉटर कलरमधलं जे काही पॉसिबिलिटी असतात मी ह्या पेंटिंगमध्ये आणण्याचा प्रयत्न केलेला आहे.
Hello friend, in this video Kudal is going to show how you can easily draw the watercolor. So he is going to show this kind of difficult watercolor, how you can do it in easiest way. So he is going to do the simplify all the process. So this time the size he is chosen to do this watercolor is little bit smaller than compared to video which you saw in the last time. He is drawing with the few minimal steps. He is going to demonstrate how you can easily capture the feel of this location. First of all, he is doing the sketch as usual and compositing that particular location in paper. You can find few perspective lines and a few object which he just add on the paper. To compose or draw this kind of location, Kudal always suggest you should compose first the very important part which you want to enhance more in your watercolor or in your any kind of painting. The lots of rules are very common and very same for this kind of sketching. Most of the time you need to compose the things which you want to show very prominently, and you need to create some focal point in your painting. Another part is like the painting, it's not a photograph, so you need to do the modification based on your requirement to adding or deleting some part of that particular location. To enhance your drawing or painting, Kudal is adding few additional things which is suitable for this painting, and he is removing some of the part which is clutter or which is it's not important for this painting, so that part he is removing. Another part is keeping as it is. So now you can see the almost this sketch or this compose is ready with the adding few figures, few element in this particular location, some bikes and some other element like tree and other things. So almost this compose is ready. After that, one of the important part which Kudal want to share, the shade and light of this painting. So he just outline that, or he just render few lines to show the shade and the dark area of this painting, and wherever is lights coming, that part he is keeping less sketchy or less draw, something like that. So initially he start with the first watercolor flow wash, and after getting little bit dry he started giving the second level applications for watercolor. So in this process Kudal is going to show this entire watercolor, how he is detail out. So what are the part he is just want to enhance, or the just using the flow of watercolor, using the patch of watercolor, using the more and more detail, how you can enhance that particular area. To simplify this watercolor, we have recorded this video from little bit distance to see the watercolor palette as well as the all the moment is doing. Another important things which we want to clear with you, this video we recorded in time-lapse format. Who don't know the time-lapse, that I'm going to explain you. Time lapse is the camera mode which record the video with the particular interval of the frame, and it is not a 1:1 video. So whatever you see, that is little bit faster than the actual painting which Coodle is created. So you can shoot this with the time lapse a little bit faster. So we did that, and that's why you can find little bit jerkiness in our entire video. But upon on your request, we can create or record normal video also. So please feel free to give your feedback in the comment section if you want normal level of video. If you record normal level of video length will be might be go more than little bit bigger than this video. It's like we did this video 4 to 5 times faster than the actual painting. So this actual painting takes around 1 hour to complete, or little bit more than that. And this we recorded and edited, and just whatever we are showing, that we just try to show all the important part in around 10 to 12 minutes. So that's the way we are planned. But upon on your request, we can shoot the normal video as well, so you can see the actual speed or actual way of doing the watercolor from Kudelya Hiremat. So please feel free to give your feedback. Now the next level is like the location. So location what he choose to paint over here, it is like Pune city, like the midpoint of city, Shivajinagar area it's called, and it is called Gauthan, means the center part of Pune. You can find lot of old or like heritage kind of houses is available over here, and people are staying here. They also staying this city from very long time, so they spend their entire 1 or 2 generation over here. So that's kind of architecture you can observe in this area. Its place is little bit crowded actually because of the importance of the location of this, because everything is very close to this location, so you can find very crowded. But currently situation is like COVID-19, so people are coming very less out of the home, like whenever they require, then only they are come out from the home. We are doing this painting with the group called Samskar Bharati. Samskar Bharati is the organization runs in India. They promote all the art and culture related activities, and the Samskar Bharati groups are organizing every Sunday outdoor painting, and all are the famous artists participating in this camp or this kind of activities. So they do watercolor landscape every Sunday in the morning. So if you want to participate, and if you from Pune, you can contact us or contact Coodle Hiremat. So we can share the contact number also, but not is here. If you put the comment, and then if you are interested, we will check, and then we will share the details for this. If you want to join this and do the painting on Sundays or whenever you are possible. Another important part is like the Samskar Bharati have some outdoor camp as well. So all the artists gather together and they work for the watercolor or any kind of landscaping on that location. So that is also, there is a membership for the yearly memberships is available. So you can do more inquiry with me or Coodle, so that you can put the comment in the comment section, and we'll get back to you on this point. So you can see, and now Coodle is almost some level he reached to this watercolor painting, and he detail out lot of part of this. So you can see the very easiest way what he is very simple and easy method he is using to complete or work on this kind of watercolor. It's a very important actually. So when you see you will get some inspiration, and you can apply this method in your painting. The step by step, if you work through this, so you also get some kind of experience, and whatever the feel or mood we are capturing this particular location, so that we are try to present to everyone. So our lot of members are nowadays are offline, they are not able to join this Samskar Bharati class. So this is also inspiration for them, so they can see this kind of demos, and they can do, or they can learn more and more through this kind of videos. So that is the another motto of doing this video as well. So there is a couple of other videos available on this YouTube channel, so you can, whenever you have time or you are interested, you can see that. So we are working on the entire series for watercolor landscape by Kudal, so that we going to upload one by one in this YouTube channel. So you can see another watercolor landscape over here, which created the Samskar Bharati artist to exhibited in this one of our very close friend from this Samskar Bharati group. They invited us to visit their house. Their house is beside of this building, so where we painted this particular location.